Alright, date is May 21st, 2010. Right now we're near, north of Chugwater, Wyoming, on a cell going up here right on the range, right of the range of the front range of the Wyoming range here, Laramie Mountains area. And this cell already produced a tornado, reported tornado. New updraft here. Big cell. This is the main updraft that did produce the tornado at first. And now we're just watching see what this thing will do. Beautiful looking storm. New cell going up west of here. So we got a couple cells to be watching here. Right on the mountains, and that'll drift off like this one did.
See the little rope tornado?
Yeah.
Just a gorgeous looking storm right now. Flanking line back here.
Hi there, Mitchell.
There we go. Back there on the bridge, over the ridge there. We have a nice lowering on, but we got a nice lowering going on this one right now. Radar's showing strong signs of rotation. Our meso's on this storm. It's like cork blue. Cut it.
Rotor in there.
It's rolling, yeah. It's nice donut. Wow, look at that.